Hold up, let me get over here. It's HoneyComb Hideout exclusive right here. Hold up.
Scope this bitch. So hold up. I ain't even loaded, nigga.
You ain't loaded yet?
Let's pop that joint. Yeah, I hear something.
Hope she comes together. Cause I'm shooting.
Now this is some G shit right here.
Yeah, hold this one.
Holding the AK. Y'all know what it is. You know what it is. Just fingers trying to get his fat ass out the window. We on. What's going on here? Hold up.
Man,
Where's your target at? Where's your target at?
The laser's on him.
Where the fuck's he at? Oh, I got you.
The laser's on him.
Gotcha.
Guarantees a straight G and don't move. He's gonna eat it.
You gonna miss him.
Aim the lower a little. Well, that's
just start bucking at him. He's definitely a G. He's definitely a G. That's motherfucking Garfield right there. He don't give a fuck.
Yeah.
How you gonna start bucking on the cat?
Got him? See him?
Nah, where you at?
He's under the table right there. This one shoot?
Huh?
Is this one shoot?
No.
Hey! What's up, man?
What's up? I said fuck the young guns and both of your fans.
We gotta need some good footage.
You hear this? Yeah.
Shooter Joe. Joe, shoot her. Go ahead, dog, shoot her.
She's bonding right now. She's bonding with the neighbors.
Try and get us, we get right back at him. Good.
She a doggy?
Bucket the dude.
I'll get some shots in, bro. The Chinese dude will come in.
Definitely back kick the shit out of you. Look at that motherfucker. He's gonna pull his car closer and shit.
Strap. Chill, he's on.
Go ahead, flying.
You just caught me out the window.